Ever wondered how to turn your ordinary photos into mind-blowing AI creations in seconds? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how with Nano Banana AI. And trust me, it's faster, smarter, and cooler than anything you've tried before. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana AI to generate fantastic images and see just how fast, smart, and efficient it really is. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more tech tutorials, tips, and tricks. We upload content regularly to help you get the most out of your technology. First things first, we need to install Google Studio. If you're on a computer or tablet, you can use the web version. Even your phone works, but I personally prefer the app. Apps usually run smoother and faster than web versions. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Google Studio, and install it. Once installed, launch it and sign up using your Google account. Then choose Nano Banana. Click the plus sign. You'll see options Upload File, Samples, and Take Photos. I'll choose Upload Files because I already have photos on my phone. Here are my images. We're going to use them in different ways. Let's start by uploading one. I'll pick this one. For this, I want to see an old lorry parked outside the building. I'll type, "Put an old lorry parked outside the building." And generate. Quick tip, AI takes time, so patience is key. Wow, look at that! The lorry fits perfectly in the scene. Let's try another. I want an excavator demolishing the building. I'll say, "Put an excavator demolishing the building." Check this out. It even added birds trying to escape from the building. Let's include our old lorry. Include the lorry. Incredible. Next, I want this lady's cap to be red and make her hold a pot. I'll say, "Change the color of her cap to red and make her hold a pot." Amazing! I never imagined it could look this good. Now, I want the chairs occupied and two Subaru cars, one white and one black. Put people in these chairs and two white and black Subaru cars parked. It came out exactly as I imagined. Looks like a real meeting. Let's get creative. I want an advert about a Jinja trip. I'll say, "We are having a trip to Jinja on 22nd November 2025. We are to see the source of River Nile, gorillas, and lions, and end the day at one beach. We are to use double-decker bus. Design an advert for the trip." Wow, mind-blowing. Photoshop users, watch out. To download your images, just press the photo and click the download icon. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss our next one.